Hello, in this video I will show you how to create Gmail account without phone number. First open the incognito mode on your Chrome browser. After that, go to Google homepage. Click on Sign in the upper corner. Now click on Create Account and choose For My Personal Use, then fill your personal information. Click on Next, then fill your birth date and the gender. Then click again on Next, choose the desired address, email, or create your own. Click again on Next. Add your password and confirm it, then click on Next button. In the recovery email step, click on Skip. Same thing for phone number step, as you can see we didn't need the phone number. Now you need to accept privacy and terms by scrolling down and clicking on Agree button. That's it. You've just created Gmail account without a phone number. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.